We start with the Sefer Chofetz Chaim. Today's topic is the Lashon Hara, laws of harmful speech, the same topic. And today's topic is about children. It is forbidden to speak Lashon Hara about children. While most of the people understand the kids are kids, the Torah does not hold children responsible for their actions. If one speaks about the child in a manner that either the speaker or the listener sees as derogatory, then laws of Shmiras Haloshon have been violated. So even though nobody expect something unbelievable from children are children, as he said, but still, if something derogatory and there is no for constructive purpose, you're not allowed to speak bad about children. If it's for you're talking with somebody trying to get advice how to handle the child, this situation or that situation, that's a different story. But otherwise, no. So even though they're not responsible, we're not up to a certain age. The sages say, Benishaz say, I think after under 5 or 6 years, it's like a monkey. So you're not, you're not even allowed to bring them to a shul and stuff like that. So these parents, clowns that bring their children to shul, and these children, they do not understand. There is no problem with children. They being children, and they run around and they eat and they talk very loud. So that's the big issue, right? So of course you cannot talk bad about these children. It's the problem with parents. So continue. It is also forbidden to say all right something about a child that potentially could prove harmful to him. A teacher who is preparing to enter negative comment on a student's record should pause and to contemplate the effect of the entry might have on the student failure, future education, employment opportunities. So it's very critical, especially to put on a child's record that he's slow, he's this, he's that. That's could be like a killer for a child. Nobody would want to accept him or her to a better yeshiva. Terrible, right? Likewise, a teacher should exercise caution and fairness when conveying their feelings concerning a student to a teacher for the coming year. So that's what you usually do. They say, please describe for me, but I guess it would be proper to say, do not describe for me, right? So I'll figure out on my own. Okay, so we stop here.